Hey, how's it going, traders? In this video, I'm going to break down my personal trading plan when it comes to trading ticker symbol HOOD or Robinhood stock after the earnings report. They have earnings on August 18th at 4 p.m. today, just after market close. We're going to talk about how I plan on trading it, what to expect. It's their first earnings report since being publicly traded. So let's dive right into the video. Alrighty, so diving right into ticker symbol HOOD or Robinhood stock. I currently do not own any shares of this company right now. If you guys watched the last video I posted, actually 2 videos ago, the team had an epic trade on it. We bought it for the bounce of 50 and sold it at about 60 for about 20% gain. Great trade. We made quite a bit on it. It was on a Friday actually. But let's dive into what to expect for earnings. So this is the first earnings report that Robinhood has had since being publicly traded, and in my personal opinion, I think it'll probably be a pretty successful earnings report, but I'm not going to buy just off of my personal feeling. That's not a great idea when it comes to trading. You want to trade the reaction, not really the anticipation. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to wait till 4 p.m. to trade it. I will be in our team's Discord. If you guys aren't in our Discord, it's the first link in the description. But we're going to live trade it at 4 p.m. If it's successful and it beats earnings, beats expectations, we are going to add to our position and look for a rip above 50 and potentially 55, 60 over the next few days. Now, if it does not beat earnings, this could really create a good dip buy opportunity. Now, let's talk about what is going to happen if they potentially do not beat earnings or they break even. I think if they fail to beat earnings this quarter, that it'll take a fairly decent hit, maybe down to the high 30s, maybe even low 30s if we're lucky. I do not think it'll go to all-time lows or something like that. That would be a catastrophic hit, but I think it'll create a really good dip buying opportunity. Now, I will start a position if it breaks below $40 in a $30 range. I think $30 is a really accurate price target for the stock. If it fails to beat earnings, I'll look to buy in the $30 range. Now, on the 6-month chart, this stock is actually looking pretty decent. Now, it is creating lower lows at the moment, but on the MACD, it did cross over and it's starting to create a bullish formation. I think if it beats earnings, this will change the direction, overall direction of the stock from trending down to an upward trending direction. Now, I will add, again, like I said, for the break above $50 if it does beat earnings, and I'll look for $55, potentially $60 on the ask. Now, remember, it will be aftermarket trading, so market orders will not work. You'll have to use an EXT order. Now, to do that, all you do is go over trade. If you have the TIF open, you change it from TIF day to EXT. So quick recap, I personally do not own any shares, and I'm not going to hold any shares until after the report comes out. Like I said, if they beat expectations, which I personally think they probably will because it's their first earnings being reported since becoming a publicly traded company. So I think it'll probably smash earnings. Usually it does the first quarter of a publicly traded company, just due to the immediate change in stock price. As you can see, the first few days of being publicly traded had an absolute tear. Now, I think it'll probably serve as a positive catalyst, like I said, and change the overall direction of the stock from trending down to back to an upward trajectory, trending right back up to the $60 range. But again, if it does not beat earnings and it does fail earnings, I think we'll get a good dip buy opportunities in the low to mid 30s. Now, either way, if it beats earnings or fails to beat expectations, I will probably start a position in ticker symbol HOOD because I think it has a lot of upside potential. I wanted to keep this video short, sweet, and to the point, so that's my overall trading plan when it comes to trading ticker symbol HOOD. If you guys want to trade along with us, it's the first link in the description. We'll be there about 3:45 when an earnings report comes out at 4 p.m. to live trade the stock. I will have a position either way if it beats or fails earnings expectation, because this stock has a lot of upside potential in my personal opinion, and I would like to take advantage of that. So if you guys want to live trade with us, make sure you go join the first link in the description. But if not, hopefully you'll see our recap of us making some awesome profit on this trade. Other than that, guys, I'll see you in the very next video.